Hey guys, check this out. I don't know how many trucks, at least 2 trailers. Look at the size of this cable. Three trucks here. Look at the size of that. It's covered in grease too. I don't know what this is for, but I think they could pull up the Titanic with this. Wow. Like, it's a big cable, and then it's spun probably 6 or 8 strands to make one giant one. There's a shackle. It's a little bit big too. Yeah, 3 trucks. Monster. It's held together with this other wire. To give you an idea of the size of it. It's a foot thick. Wow. Okay guys, well, that's it.